Dear Diary. Today we won't talk about diaries but about logs, especially the logs OffShoot generates for each transfer. Those are stored locally on your computer. You can easily find them by going to Window and then Transfer Logs, or by pressing the shortcut Command and L. In the logs, you can find information about the source, destination, transfer, and each transferred file. It also shows you which files weren't transferred. Here it reads filtered due to your organize settings. Remember the stuff we talked about in this video here? The logs can help you trace back information about past transfers. Great if you've forgotten if you had copied cards or need to prove that you copied all data correctly. If you like this video and my other tutorials, please press the subscribe button and share them with everyone. Thanks for watching. Cheers and bye bye.